Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the WhatsApp error too many attempts. For security reason we limit the number of attempts, try again later on iPhone, iPad and Android devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to tap and hold the app store. After that we have to tap on updates. Here we have to check the list, is there is any update available for WhatsApp. If is there is, then we have to update the WhatsApp app first. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we move to some other solutions. The next one is we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap iPhone storage. We have to tap on WhatsApp and tap on offload app, then tap offload to confirm. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and go back to settings and general and software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Then force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart we have to launch App Store again and re-download the WhatsApp app. Re-download the WhatsApp, we have to open the WhatsApp app, tap agree and continue. After that we have to tap on allow for the WhatsApp notification. Now tap and enter your phone number. After adding the phone number, tap yes to confirm your phone number, request for SMS and enter the verification code on your WhatsApp and your problem will be solved. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.